Hey guys, so today's video is a lot different from my usual videos. This is something I've never done on my YouTube channel before, and this is a nail tutorial. I did ombre nails on myself last month. I started halfway taking them off and then I thought I should film this video. I've gotten to a point now where I don't love going to get my nails done anymore. I just feel like it's expensive and I can do it at home and I already have the stuff to do it at home. So I'm gonna show you guys the products that I currently have. I'm going to show you how I personally do my nails and how I have figured out how to do an at-home ombre. This is gel, so this is something that you do need an LED lamp for. I am not a nail expert. I don't really know what I'm doing. These are my natural nails. They are not acrylic. You can see I did have a broken nail right here. I'm just gonna shorten the rest of my nails quite a bit, and this one just will be shorter, but it'll look fine when it's painted at the end. I just literally don't care. And I'm by no means a professional. I could completely 100% be doing this wrong, but I haven't really had any nail damage or anything, and it lasts just as long as when I go get it done at the salon. So I normally would never do anything like this, but when I showed it on Instagram stories, so many of you guys were like, please tell me how you do that. And I'm like, all right, I mean, okay, I'm not a nail lady, but I'll do it. I know it's going to be my #1 comment. Wow, Kristi, did you upgrade your ring? This is not my real engagement ring. My real engagement ring, the diamond fell out. I haven't gotten it repaired yet. I do have the diamond and the ring. I just have not gotten it repaired yet. So in the meantime, I'm wearing a stand-in ring. This is not a real diamond. This is from Macy's. It is cubic zirconia, and I wear it just to be a stand-in ring so that people know I'm married. Not that people are hitting on me. Let's be real. So the products that you'll need for today's video is you'll need a nail file, a UV light. This is the one that I have. I got it from Amazon and it works just fine. You need a pH bonder, a foundation, I think, and I'm just going off of what I know, a white gel polish, a nude gel polish, and a top coat. So first I'm going to peel off all my nail polish. I know you're not supposed to do this. I know it damages your nails. I know. I just don't care. So BRB, I'm gonna take my nail polish off. Okay, so that was a mistake. As you can see, like I totally shredded the shit out of my nails, but I really don't care because I was planning on doing them short anyway. So I'm gonna file them down into the shape that I want. I wanted to take my nails pretty short. I wanna be able to do work with them. And so I'm going to do them in a kind of like a coffin shape, but really short. I'm just gonna file these off camera real quick and then I will show you kind of what they look like at the end. Because this nail had broken, I wanted to sort of cut all the rest of them to be similar in length. They're not perfect, it's not gonna be perfect, but I type a lot for my job obviously because I'm working on the computer a lot, answering emails, replying to comments, etc. So because this nail broke, I really wanted to keep them all relatively short, but I didn't want them as short. So from what I understand, and I may be incorrect, but a pH bond is the first step that you need to do. You need to rough up your nail a little bit from the little research I've done, and then apply a pH bonder so that the gel polish will adhere to your nail and stay. As you can see, my nails are pretty messed up because I definitely did not remove my nail polish the way that I should, but you know, we learn every day. I'll be doing it different next time. I was trying to cut corners and I cut the damn wrong corner. You guys can also see, if you look at my nails, that I have an issue with picking at the skin around my nails. It's a really bad compulsion. I've had it my entire life. I don't know why. I find that doing my nails and using gel polish especially really helps me to stop doing that. I've got my UV light set up and then I'm just going to start off with the foundation. So now that we've got the pH bonder on, you want to go in with your foundation. And I'm not going to talk during the application, I'm just going to do it. So then once I've got that layer down, I then start off with white. So I'm gonna take the white and wipe a ton of it off. So then I like to take that color and start off at the tip of my nail and really coat the white on. Now, I've seen this done online where they take a sponge. I'm gonna try this technique. This is not the way I did it before, but this is the way I'm gonna try it today. You take the color, you put it on the sponge. I could see that working if you were gonna build up the color, I suppose. This isn't how I did it last time, but I I mean, I guess I could see how that would work, yeah. But before, what I did is I took the white and I really just coated the tip of my nail, and then I just patted it out with my finger. I think I'm gonna do a sponge this time, but I'll show you what I mean. So I would take the white, really load it up on here and kind of bring it down. And then I was tapping out this part with my finger. But I think I'm gonna use the sponge actually. I think the sponge would give me a better application and I won't have to obviously use my finger, which would be nice. All right, so that's what it looks like. You can see it's not perfect, but it's not bad. And so I'm gonna do that with the rest of the nails. All right, so I'm gonna do a second coat, just mostly on the tip of my nail, not necessarily all the way down, but I'm gonna just try to whiten up the tip a bit more and then really make sure that the very end of the nail is covered so that it doesn't shrink in, and then I don't wanna peel at it. So then once my nails are to the point ombre wise that I like, then I like to take this nail polish, which is Creme de la Creme, and this is ASP gel polish. This is just like a really sheer nude, and as you can tell, if I go over the top with it, you can still see the white through it. It's got a really sheer base to it, so it doesn't cover up everything. It's just a really beautiful polish. I really like this. I used to do this one just on its own, but it's really pretty over this ombre. It's like a milky nude pink. Kind of has more of a peach undertone to it, I feel. I've been getting my nails done long enough now from a salon, and so now I've gotten to the point where I kind of see the steps that she does. I kind of see how she does everything, and I think my nails definitely turn out much better when I go to her, but right now I just don't care. I'd rather save the money. I already have the gel polish here. And then I usually only do one coat of that and then I top it off because I don't want my nails to be like super thick. So I use the top coat, and you can do like 1 or 2 coats of top coat, and it's just a clear. These are the nails finished, and this ombre looks twice as good as the last time. It's way smoother than when I was tapping it out with my finger. It just looks so much better. I will show you guys up close what it looks like. It did a great job. So that whole sponge technique is definitely the way to do it. What I need to do now is take some alcohol, and so I've got my cotton round. I'm just gonna go over my nails to get that gummy layer off. Those are the finished nails. So before and after. All right, I'm gonna go finish off this hand and I will be right back. So I just tossed on a little of this NCLA cuticle oil. This actually came in a boxy charm. I don't know like how good it is for my cuticles, but it really helps keep that areas down, especially where I pick. I think it's so super obvious that this hand doesn't look nearly as good as this hand, and there's like little areas, especially like right here where you can see that I got gel polish on the side. Also, the ombre doesn't look as good on this side. That's because I am right-handed, so my left hand always looks much better. I saved, you know, 40 bucks from going to the nail salon, and that is the ultimate goal. I think it looks just fine. And now it doesn't look weird that I have one short nail and a bunch of longer nails, and this will last me, you know, 2-3 weeks. So I hope you guys found this video even slightly interesting. I know this is something so different from my normal content, but I just wanted to show you guys since you guys asked, and here are the nails, and I hope that this helped you in any way. I will have every product that I used linked in the description of this video in case you guys are looking to buy some new nail products. So make sure to subscribe if you have not yet. Hit like if you guys like this video, and I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you at my next video.